Yeah, very good evening to all of you, beta. Today we are going to continue with atomic structure, and in this you are going to write few things. These are very important things. First, you write atomic structure. Give this heading. You write atom is indivisible. Then John Dalton theory. So if I take a big piece of sodium, if I try to cut, the smallest piece will be of what, beta? Sodium only. It will be of what? Sodium only. Quick, start writing this.
Sir, can I write it on this sheet?
No, not at all. You have to write on paper. Borrow. Yeah, no need to draw. Just you write atom is indivisible. These two point John Dalton theory. Start writing. Huh? Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Pass. Yeah.
Sir, how many people from 9th grade come? Like who will come?
40 students. Okay.
Who will come? She's asked.
No, I don't. Just do your mind your own work. Mind your own work and do this. Okay. Now let us go to the next part.
Sir, I will write
You don't have to draw this. Only these two atom is indivisible. Which theory it was? John Dalton. John Dalton. Then beta, you are going to inside this you have to draw with rough free hand drawing you have to do. At the center we have this boy. No, let it be. Start writing. Start writing. Yeah, I know. So yeah. कुछ नहीं बात हाँ हो गया चलो. Yeah, you have to draw this structure of atom. Array rough free hand with a pen. Free hand with a pen. What a pen. डायग्राम नहीं बनाने का था खाली this only these two. Okay. हाँ बहुत अच्छी बात है बेटा आंखों में आंसू आ गए वेरी नाइस. Then beta structure of atom. At the center what we have proton and neutron. A proton and neutron together they are known as what? They are inside the nucleus. They are together known as nucleons. Nucleons. A these are orbit. Can you see this? And in orbit what are moving? Electrons. Yeah, you have to do labeling. You have to do the labeling. Come on. Pen.
बट मैं सर से पूछती रहूंगा होगा तो फिर आमा लाते रहूंगा.
नहीं है बेटा. You can borrow from your friend, na beta.
Does anybody have a pencil?
No.
No.
I do.
Thank you.
She's so generous.
Sir, nice diagram.
Yeah, very nice.
Right.
Very good. But you do the labeling. Come on, quickly. Quickly do the labeling. I still miss my gift.
What?
You gave some parcel and all, you gave it a nice bag.
Barcelona.
I need it.
That's not a
Hector. Ah. Yeah, what will it
Oh, I have rare. I use all the makeup and all. Chalo beta, do this.
Very happy. How?
I don't think. I just say that.
We have written down the labeling. Show.
It's not.
Oh, bravo. So fast. What about you, this girl?
Well done. See? Here it is.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay, done, all of you. Now let us go to the next part. Okay? Done, all of you. Are freehand drawing you have to do, beta. Come on, do it fast. I hope you are doing this. Very good, beta. And who hit on your nose? Oh, this it. So somebody gave one nice. Okay. Chalo. Oh my God. Too much problem you're facing, no, beta, because of your long hair. Okay, anyway. Chalo, beta, aa jao. Hello. Now let us go to the next part. Now, subatomic particle, I want you to write this. Which are the subatomic particle? Proton, and then you have to write P, proton, E is electron, N is. Hey, what is the charge? +1. This is -1. This is 0. How much is the mass? 1. This is negligible. And who was the discoverer? Goldstein, J. Thompson, and Chadwick. Write it. लिखना है यहाँ पे, देख क्या रहा है? क्या कुछ? हाँ लिख चल, कल सोचना तू बेटा।
No, this is.
Good. Okay. I see.
This stop.
ए Shivin, bit, are you getting this, dear? Very nice, bro.
Don't just
E minus. E minus.
E, and this is -1.
Sir, not that. See, coming down. I think. No. See, I'm
Which chapter going on in your school, beta?
So
we started physical.
And then elements, compound, done. So we have done matter.
We done matter, language or chemistry and then
Language is done, beta.
there's a mention.
So I have given you worksheet for which, no, I gave for only what?
So you know master.
Matter and physical changes I gave, na, physical and chemical. So now what I have to give it for language of chemistry. I'll take it today also. Today, huh?
So is it fine if I don't try an individual? There's no space.
So it's
So
okay.
it's not no way on it. Now what I got this.
Discoverer.
Yeah.
Who discovered it? Who discovered it?
नहीं है मैंने. That's not that. Not that.
I pick it up.
I got scared.
It's okay. Later on, you can pick it up. Okay, don't worry. Hello.
करें क्या?
No.
No sir. अबे
Particles.
फिर क्या बना दिया तुमने? फिर इतना लंबा क्यों किया? Chadwick ना है. I see.
Yeah. Done, beta. All of you. Done. Done, all of you.
No sir.
Yes, sir, done.
अरे not done.
In exam, they will ask, huh, proton, positively charged, mass is 1, discoverer name. This may come from method column. Huh? I'll shuffle this side. And then I'll tell you to match it. Will you be able to do it? Hello. Write this Thapa. You're Thapa, no?
Sir,
Yeah, Thapa. I'll give you one Thappad only. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Done.
you can copy my.
Done.
No sir.
Okay. Now let us go to the next part. Hey, now this is very important. Now all of you, please shut your mouth and pay attention here. Atomic number. What is atomic number? What is the symbol for atomic numbers? It is what? It is the number of protons or electrons in an atom of an element. Write it. Atomic number is what? Number of protons or electron. Not and, or. In an atom of an element. Come on, start writing it. It is the number of proton or electrons in an atom of an element. Why you're looking here? Then why can't you write from here? ए बात नहीं कर, चल फटाफट लिख.
Sir, because I missed that a little.
What you missed?
I got it.
This.
Even I got it.
Okay.
Chime. Oh, that's all.
It is the or it is what? Then what it is? Can't see or what?
Okay.
It is the number of protons or electrons. Yeah, I know. Now, yeah, 9 p.m. online. It will be online. After. Yeah. Chalo beta, aa jao. Bas. Now, hey, what is the symbol for this? How we write atomic number symbol? Symbol is
Z.
Z. And where it is written? It is written on left hand side as subscript. Subscript means which we write below. So suppose there is an element X. If I want to indicate its atomic number, where I am writing atomic number, I'll write here below Z. So if I have written sodium, and what is this 11 stands for? Sodium atomic number is how much? 11. Sodium atomic number is how much? 11. Write it, chalo. No, left hand side. Atomic number. Right. Atomic number. You're doing atomic number. Atomic number. Atomic number. Atomic number. Atomic number. Why you shut your mouth? Yeah. Okay, done all of you. Atomic number is nothing but what, beta? We always write it on the left hand side as subscript. Is this clear to all of you? Wait.
Oh.
Let them write first. Chalo.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
Right fast.
We are engineers. Chalo. Now let us go to the next.
Wait.
Hello. Done, done, done. Done, done, done.
John, are you done?
Now 11 is atomic number. If I say sodium 11 means atomic number of sodium is how much?
11.
11.
Hey, beta, you can't. Where we write this, we write it at left hand side. This is the symbol. So where we write here on the left hand side, na beta? 11. 11 is not a symbol. This is sodium 11 means sodium atomic number is 11.
Sir, can you ask question?
Huh?
That is it done. Can you ask question?
Yeah, wait. Beta, when I write 11 below on the left hand, that means atomic number of sodium is how much? 11. Are you getting it? I'll give you example. Chalo. Now tell me, beta. Sodium atomic number is 11. Okay. So if atomic number is 11 means how many? You only tell me now. Its atomic number is how much?
11.
एक मिनट बेटा मेरे को खाली आगे
क्या?
अब वो मैं पटाटे ना अच्छे ने x is an example, any element x, okay?
Max.
Okay.
Symbol नीचे होगा ना?
हाँ तो सिंबल क्या है? ये z है, सिंबल नहीं नीचे होता है, ये क्या है? नीचे एटॉमिक नंबर होता है.
But Z तो symbol.
कौन बोला? That is not a symbol. Z is a symbol for atomic number. Z is a symbol for atomic. So atomic number is written below. Oh yeah. Okay. Now, what is atomic number you write? Atomic number is what? Come on, continue. This boy here. Atomic number is number of protons or electrons. So please, Z is equal to P or which is equal to E. Z is equal to P which is equal to E.
P.
Z is equal to proton which is equal to electron.
So you know the people who like.
Just share your garbage.
Why? Because you guys talk or not.
Because you guys live in Ajmera.
Is you?
अजमेरा को छोड़. I said cause you. देखो आप इसको नहीं बोलोगे ना, bias को.
Bye. That's it.
Okay.
Sir, ask question.
सर वो पूरा तबला बजा रहा है, आप उसे कुछ नहीं बोलोगे.
Now I am writing this way sodium 11. Now this boy here, what's your name, beta?
Sorry.
Sorry. So if I write sodium 11, that means atomic number is how much? 11. Acha, what is atomic number? Is it number of protons or not? Tell me.
Yeah.
So my proton is also 11. It is also equal to electron or not? Tell me. So my electron is also 11. Copy this. Now have you understood this boy here?
That's
What's your name, beta?
Sir, for
No.
sorry.
Shaurya what?
Ajay.
Shaurya.
सर ने मर जाए.
Hey, bus. This girl here, why don't you just shut your mouth? Okay. A sodium 11 means what, beta? It has how much? How much atomic number? 11. Proton is also 11. Electron is also 11. Now we go to the next part. Mass number. What is this? Hey, this boy, mass number. What is the symbol? What it is? Hey, where is the mass concentrated, beta? Mass is concentrated at where? Center. In center, what are protons and neutrons or not? Tell me, beta. So, what a mass number? It is the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom of an element. It is the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom of an element. Just mind your own language. Mind your own business.
So basically, proton.
So you did ask me.
Yeah, very good. What is the symbol for this? Harjai, what is the symbol for this?
Yeah.
Mass number, what is the symbol? A. Right. How it is written? It is written as superscript. Can you see where I have written? Super. Right, beta? So if I write sodium 23 at the top, so what is this 23? 23 is nothing but what? Mass number. It is the mass number. Copy this. The example you will copy this.
Sir, you did ask question.
No.
सर वो अगर सो गया तो
Oh, let him sleep.
वो सिर्फ तू सोता है क्लास
अरे हाँ
Bas.
वो भी रात को
Nobody asked for your opinion.
रात को
Nobody asked for your opinion. Yeah, yeah.
बस ब्रैकेट क्यों है
अरे बेटा ब्रैकेट नहीं ऐसे मैंने लिखा इट इज रिटन एज सुपरस्क्रिप्ट आ गया गलती से ठीक है ओके
No.
I'll do that, don't worry, have patience.
Yes.
Now look here, how will you write this? A is equal to what? Proton and neutron. Shivan beta, it will be sum of these, na beta? So sum means plus karege, na beta? Yeah. The mass number is proton plus neutron. Write this. Hey, what is the symbol for proton, Shivan?
P.
Proton is P. Yeah, that's it. So A is equal to P plus N. A is equal to P plus N. But do you all know, beta, whatever was P, number of proton is also equal to what? Number of electrons. Or number of proton is nothing but what? Atomic number. So can I write instead of P, Z? Why? Because Z is equal to P. Okay, and then we rearrange. If I take N on one side, this Z will go on this side or not. So what I'm going to get?
So what are you getting?
N is equal to Z किधर से आ गया तो बेटा ये प्रोटॉन क्या होता था नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन इज इक्वल टू व्हाट
Find the right side.
so therefore what I'm going to get N is equal to A minus Z. N is equal to
Why maths in this also? You're just writing the same stuff again and again.
yeah again and again but I'll tell you why we are writing it again and again. Hey, what is N? N can be written as neutron number. N is nothing but so beta, if I give you one example and if I tell you to find proton, neutron, electron, will you be able to find or not? Tell me.
माइनस नहीं होगा
क्या n इधर पे है z उधर पे जाएगा ना बेटा n is equal to a minus z. What? क्या? अरे मैथ्स नहीं आता बेटा. Okay. Okay. Can I write n plus z is equal to a? Now this z goes on this side. So what do you get, beta? A minus z or not? Tell me. Oh yeah.
algebraic rule
Yeah, algebraic rule. You don't know this algebraic rule. Such a simple algebraic rule you don't know. You n is equal to a minus z. N is equal to a minus z. A क्या कर रहे तुम लोग? What man? You can express your feeling for each other after the class, please. This girl here. Yeah.
so you took a on this side now
Yeah.
a side लिया था
A side कहाँ लिया? कुछ नहीं लिया A side. अच्छा, tell me what is A? What is this?
Z on that side.
हाँ, Z on this side. Z on this side, so N is equal to A minus. Done.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Laptop पे भी check कर।
Done.
I didn't do that, right?
Done.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we go to the next part. Now I am giving you one example. Come on. Now I'm going to give you one example. Wait, beta. What I want to.
Make exam.
No, 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 no.
Which one?
But order that. Bring that to play.
Oh.
Okay. Now,
Yes,
okay. I want you to take down this example, please. Acha, I've given you sodium and I've written 11 and 23. So now tell me, beta, what will be my mass number here? What will be my mass number? A का वैल्यू कितना है देखना. अरे यहाँ पर देख, यहाँ पे at the top what we write? Just shut your mouth and pay attention here. नहीं तू मांगता काय के लिए? तूने ऑलरेडी दिया ना बेटा.
is equal to 20.
दे दे, गरीबों में बांट दो.
टारगेट करते हैं.
Just shut your mouth. Okay. Hey, this girl here. What is your mass number? A is what? Mass number, na? So mass number is 23. What will be your atomic number? Atomic number. Okay. Now we have to find number A. This boy here. Pay attention here now. We have to find proton. A. We have done the formula. Z is equal to P. Which is, yeah. So proton will be also how much, beta? Electron will be also.
11.
Acha, now we derived one formula today. If I want to find A, N, so what is the formula? A minus Z. What is the value of A? Shiven beta, what it is? 23. 23 minus 11.
And 11.
In exam, they will ask this type of question. Will you be able to do it?
Sir, I told you the answer of the.
Very good. And yeah, 12. You got it.
Adi, again, you're taking commerce.
सर
Yeah.
अगर टेस्ट में हमको तो हमको आपके जैसे साइड पे लिखा तो हमको पहले
What are you?
Yeah, you write it, beta. Yeah. Hey,
CSCS.
say commerce for what?
Yes, sir, I did it.
After 8.
10th.
टुडे की है ना वो
ऐसे याद
So what did you say?
बेटा what is the circle of life of life I think
Okay, done.
ये भी पूछना है मैंने लिखा life of life
Shania, just taking commerce.
This boy here and this girl here. Pay attention. Chalo. All of you done, beta, this? Chalo, now let us go to the next part.
So why? Oh.
I want you to do this on your own. All of you will do. Oh, they have seen themselves in mirror. That is why they are laughing. चुपचाप बैठ, लिखो पहले. नहीं, वो अभी बाद में मैं पहला you write the answer ना, then I'll tell you ना. हाँ, नहीं पूछने का नहीं है, नहीं आता, खाली तू लिख, तेरे को जो आता है वो लिख. Whatever you know, you write it. This is the electron. चलो, let us start. हर जाए ये ऊपर जो होता है वो क्या होता है? मास नंबर. हाँ, A. So how much it is? What is your Z?
60.
नीचे जो लिखते हैं वो होता है ना.
Answer is 60.
अच्छा ये what now we know beta whatever is z which is equal to p which is equal to e z क्या अबे what is your atomic number यार z ना. So atomic number is what number of protons which is equal to number of electron.
And is equal to 60.
गलत है इसमें क्यों
And is equal to 60.
शौर्य ने
31 minus 50 is equal to 60.
सीध है I don't
Understood all of you now?
Easy, sir. Easy.
This girl you're getting it.
so she's lying
I see all this.
बस वे तुझे चुपटना है ना तो फिर चलो डन. Okay. I know beta. No, you have to. I have to just shut your mouth. Then only I'll switch it off. Okay. Done, all of you. Now, beta, we go to the electronic. I want you to write this. What is electronic configuration? It is arrangement of electrons in different orbits around the nucleus. Around the
Nucleus.
is 3 minutes the time will match the date
I needed this reminder. Mantra.
मैंने कुछ बोला ऐसा अच्छा तू कुछ सर तो पहले तो माना मुझे मार गया फिर तो कुछ सर ऐसे अंदर Thank you, sir.
So we're gonna turn on the fan.
So I just
Welcome.
Welcome. Welcome.
Why don't you all just shut your mouth?
What was that? Sir, I'm not. No, I heard a witch's laugh.
Stop harassing her. She gave you gift, a nice gift she gave.
Sir, she stole her.
My God, Maisha, are you okay? Yeah, are you?
ऐसे ही किया दोनों कर
Don't bully her. Stop bullying.
That's
Maisa.
But
Nicer is when you get
yeah, look.
nice. आपको सर
Nice
nice और तो
Okay. Pass, enough. Done, all of you. Orbit, shells, or energy levels. Okay. 10.
my shoes.
That's what they my
Sir,
I
oh my God.
You don't have to write on that.
No. I'm going to show. Yeah, orbit. Yeah, that's what is electronic arrangement of electrons in different orbit. Now, how to arrange them? That I'm going to teach you. Now, we use this formula, bro. Look at it.
No. It matches the date.
Yeah.
Oh, so you were saying. I was counting, see 59. Yeah, you know when you said it was the action time, when I said that, but then that's wrong. This is actually.
See, check the word clock. You want 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Look at this. We copied it.
The Shaurya ne likh liya.
Okay, we have these orbits. Please, dear. Yeah.
We have to boil.
Wait. Yes, you have to draw also.
तो शिवेन ने फोटो ले लिया।
Wait. Wait.
मैंने टाइम
Yeah, very nice. I can see that. I can see that. I can see that. Wait. A. At the center there is nucleus. This is why first orbit is known as K, L, M, N. A. We indicate this orbit by number. N is equal to 1, N is equal to 2, N is equal to 3, and N is equal to 4. Now this is what beta? Shell. K shell, L shell, M shell, N. This is our orbit. K shell means first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fourth. What is the capacity of electron? 2n square. So for first orbit, what you will say? What will substitute? What you will substitute here? 2 into 1 square. So what answer I get?
Yeah.
So in first orbit, how many electrons can be accommodated? 2. Second orbit, Shivan beta. Second orbit, instead of n, what you will substitute? 2, na? So what you will get beta? 2 into 2 square. So what you get? Acha, for third orbit, what you will substitute? N is equal to 3. Very good. So what you will get? Then here, how much? What you will substitute? So these are the capacity of the electron. Freehand drawing you can do. In first orbit, how many electrons? 2. 2 electron. Here, how many electron? 8. Here it was 18. Here it is 32 electrons. Come on,
Sir.
do it.
Sir,
2n square. Total electron formula, yeah. अरे फ्री हैंड ड्राइंग do man. अच्छा do it चलो.
Okay. It's very easy.
Yeah, it is very easy.
What? Chemistry का ऐसा was it?
Yeah.
Eraser. But why?
Mine is stronger. They are better.
चलेगा, जलेबी बनाओ, इमरती बनाओ, सब चलेगा. चकली,
सर ताजमहल.
ताजमहल. Good. Last class you were not there, na? You were online, na? You were online, na? Chalo, done.
गुदगुदी किया. What's the problem? He did गुदगुदी to me.
Nobody will do gudgudi in the class. But I'm just. Chalo, done.
Sir, not for.
Yeah, bro. वो तेरे चेयर के ऊपर आ गया बेटा. चेयर तेरा बाहर ले ले नीचे से. हाँ, और आगे आ जा थोड़ा. और आ गया. और उसको ऊपर से चेयर को थोड़ा ऊपर कर, उसको ऊपर कर. हाँ, नाउ पुल योर चेयर. या वेरी गुड. क्या हो गया? हाँ, फर्स्ट इज नियरेस्ट टू द कोर. Nearest to the force. Okay. What? Because this is nearest to the core. Core का K देखेंगे. Okay. C but Latin में हम लोग ने लिया. नहीं.
This is also alphabetical order.
Yeah. चलो done all of you. Done. Done.
No.
Okay, now. So that doesn't mean you'll talk in the class.
Past you.
No gossiping in the class.
So you want I want, yeah. If you can paint your nails, then you can.
बहुत ठंडी लग रही है.
Okay. Chalo, now. Let us go to the next.
Oh, sorry.
She said.
Gila.
Listening, I'm telling
Gila, wait
you.
to.
Yes, exactly like that one.
चलो बेटा आ जाओ. Done, done, done.
Yes, 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 sir.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Now. Hey, but
Nah.
this is a rule, but you have to remember this. Last shell cannot have more than 8 electrons. Please write this. Very, very important. Very, very important. Hey, last shell cannot have.
Can we draw that?
Yeah, you can draw. Last shell cannot have more than 8 electrons.
Is it okay if we don't draw that?
Yeah, it's okay. A last shell cannot have more than 8 electrons. I'll teach you this. Last shell cannot have more than 8 electrons.
Put in class.
Why don't you just reduce your decibel?
फिर ये है क्या?
लास्ट शेल, अरे बेटा देख, ये कैपेसिटी था. फर्स्ट शेल में कितना जाएगा 2, सेकंड में 8, थर्ड में 3. But last shell, if it is the last shell, it cannot accommodate more than 8 electrons. I'll explain this. Last shell cannot accommodate more than 8 electrons. This is this is I important. Yeah, I है.
Very MP.
IMP, important. Arey, you don't, this is your alphabet I. You write this way or not I?
Oh.
P. Yeah.
Andari ride. Bounce dancing मतलब. So what is that?
No, it's a important thing. You have to remember.
That character का like मस्त लग रहा. Very.
This Thapa,
Thapa, this is the I. Stop using your phone.
why don't you just copy this? Okay?
वैसा बना. I made the best.
मुझे दे. I love
देखा
that.
ये मेरा कैसा है?
बढ़िया.
ये तो वो
देखा भी
वो
नहीं.
बोला मुझे याद है.
Yeah, baby, શું થયું? બોલો ને દીકરા. What happened?
So
અરે મને થોડી છે ને ગુજરાતી થોડી આવે હા એ ઓલી થોડી ગુજરાતી. चलो बेटा, बेबी क्या रॉन्ग कर दिया आपने? 2 into 2 square ना, तो 8. हाँ बराबर है. चलो what further you raising? Hey, hello. Now, yeah. No, बंद होगी तो सिर्फ आप लोगों की आवाज, ठीक है? ओके. Now, I'm going to write. Shh. First 20 elements. Listen, all of you. We are going to write first 20 elements. Yeah, first element.
Can I write?
Yeah, first. Wait. For first 20 element, listen. We have to do it. Boys and girls, please pay attention. Don't force me to use biological words, please. So, beta, I'm going to share this in hi, hello, live. Hi, hello, live, BBC News on Friday night. Okay? Then, Namango, Allah say, Pepsi, soda,
Glory.
or Pepsi, soda, cola.
अरे मैंने मेरा हाथ लगाया.
Kaju cake. Okay. Or hey, this is what? Hydrogen,
So what is
helium, Kaju cake. Okay. Lithium. This is Beryllium boron. And chlorine. Neon. Silicon. Phosphorus. पोटासियम नहीं ये मैं आपको शेयर कर दूंगा डोंट वरी लेफ्ट राइट फोटो ले सोडा फोन हाँ
We can take photo.
yeah you can take it
So much.
yeah you can take it I'm going
Sir, she's using her phone. Sir ने फोटो लेने बोला. नहीं वो भेजेंगे उन्होंने बोला. Sir we are on using phone.
please beta I can
Take photo of we are the very healthy group.
केमिकल वजह पे भेजूं
वो WhatsApp पे
नहीं
original के भी है नहीं है तो फिर ऐड करो so like
Allah yeah, why is she so weird?
just like you
over now.
Aluminium.
क्या लिख रहा है तुम इसे दांत को मत बताना.
I am sending beta wait I'm searching for it where it is
Aluminium.
Aluminium. Aluminium.
बेटा आवाज नहीं I am not getting it
मैं थोड़ा सा इधर
oh yeah got it bro I am putting in the group wait
क्या वो कौन लिख रहा है अरे किसको फोन किया है
चलो
अभी तो उसका नाम था वैसे
now please आवाज नहीं जरा भी आवाज नहीं
अबे
hello yeah now what I want all of you to do you should know this please shh. Hydrogen atomic number is how much beta 1 so I'll write this way this is helium is 2 this boy here please pay attention here this is atomic number is 3 beta 3 yeah so 2 comma 1 beryllium will be 2 comma 2 5 in first orbit how many electron can go 2 so remaining is how much 3 so 2 comma 3 2 comma 4 2 comma 5 2 comma 6 2 comma 7 comma 8 then beta this it will be how much beta yeah very good wait 2 comma 8 comma 1 2 comma 8 comma 283 284 285 286 287 288 now this is very interesting wait if it is potassium listen all of you listen if it is potassium can I write it this way girls here potassium is 90 so can I write it 289
No.
tell me
no you can't
Shivin, why 289 because this is last shell last shell have more than 8 electrons so this is wrong so what I am going to do 2881 understood Ajab, calcium is how much 20 so can I write 2810 Can I write 2, 8, 10? This is my last shell and it cannot have more than 8 electrons, so I'll have to cancel this.
2.2.
Very good. 2, 8, 8.
Sir,
Yeah.
question.
So that is what? So that is what you have to.
Sir, question. Eight is the last one.
In the last shell.
Got it. Ask me to tell you that don't audition.
I told you that important, this thing. Hey, bus. 2, 8, 9, beta. Look here, beta. This is the last shell or not? Tell me. But can last shell have more than 8 electron? So therefore, I cannot write this. So I'll shift one. 2, 8, 8, 1. Is this the last shell? Is this the last shell? Is this the last shell? Yes. But can last shell have तू चुप बैठा मारेगा भी मैं बस ठीक है last shell is this the last shell yes but can last shell have more than 8 electrons so maximum it can accommodate only 8 so remaining 2 have transferred here have you all understood this
Yes.
now we are going to go for very important part and that is valency okay
Yeah.
okay now I look if any element have 3 or less than 3 electron in its outermost shell, if any element has 3 or less than 3 electrons,
So, shut up. So she was also talking, but you look at it. Look.
if any element has 3 or less than 3 electron in their outermost shell, so they will always lose. If I will lose electron with charge, I'll develop positive. So yeah. So here how many electron is there? 1, 1, 1. So they will lose 1 electron. So all this, what will be their valency? 1 plus. If they have how many electron in their outermost orbit? Every element try to become like the nearest noble gas. These are the noble gas. These are what, beta? In our life, we have role model. In our life, we have role model. It may be your, sports personality, actor, actress, or scientist, or politician, whatever. So similarly, for all these elements, who are the role model? These all noble gases are. So every element will try to become like them. Yeah, I saw that. Therefore, I showed her. Every element will try to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. And in order to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, what they will do, they will either lose or gain or share. Sharing will also happen. So, who is the nearest noble gas to lithium? Tell me. Lithium is atomic number 3. So who is nearest? Helium, na? So in order to become like helium, it will lose this electron or not? Tell me. It will lose 1 electron. Acha, who is the nearest noble gas to sodium? Neon. So in order to become like neon, it will lose this electron. Clear? So it will be 1 plus. All these, how many electrons they have in the outermost orbit? 2. So they will lose 2. So what will be their valency? 2 plus. If they have how much electron in their outermost orbit? 3. So it will be 3 plus. Acha, now tell me who is the nearest noble gas to fluorine? Fluorine, neon. So in order to become like neon, it will gain 1 electron. If I gain 1 electron, I am gaining negative charge. So what charge I'll develop? Minus. So what will be the valency? 1 minus. Oxygen will gain how many electron to become octet?
0.
2 electron. 2 electron. So 2 minus. Nitrogen, who is the nearest noble gas? Neon. So how many electron it will gain?
3 minus
3. So what will be the charge?
3.
Are you getting this? Yes. हाँ बता रहा हूँ ना बेटा कार्बन
Carbon is 0.
या शट अप क्या 0 0 कुछ भी बोलता है 4 है ना यहाँ पे तो इट वांट टू गेन 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन सो इट विल बी 4 माइनस
Plus भी
4 plus भी होता है बेटा, both it can be, both. It can sometimes lose or sometimes it can gain, but most of the time since it is a non-metal, it will gain. It will,
No, this is.
it depends with whom it is going to react. Okay? Okay, but generally we take it as 4 minus because it is the non-metal, so carbide. नहीं देगा, नहीं देंगे बेटा, they will be very specific. So A, what is valency? It is the number of electrons gained, lost. Are you getting it or not? Tell me. Or shared. In order to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. A, look beta, this is your textbook beta. What all thing I have done beta? Listen all of you. I have done till here. Then beta, I have not taught you isotope. This I'll do not today, but this diagram, can you see beta? This is very important. I am going to give you one trick beta. In whenever they tell you to draw a diagram, you are in the nucleus, you are supposed to show protons and beta, you can easily remember proton. If you remember atomic number is equal to number of proton, which is equal to number of electron. But the problem is what beta? Neutron. How will you remember neutron? How will you remember neutron? तो न्यूट्रॉन कैसे या बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बता रहा हूं, अगर बातें करोगे तो आई मेक यू वेट हियर ओनली, आई मेक यू वेट हियर ओनली. लुक बेटा, we have done this today, this electronic configuration. Okay, valency I have taught you thoda bahut, but beta, okay, how to remember this neutron, how to remember this neutron, that I have to teach you. Acha, in first 20 element beta, who is metalloid? They will ask, who is metalloid? In first 20 element, who is metalloid? Boron and silicon. Boron and silicon. Can you see this silicon? They are metalloid. So what I want all of you to do, beta, you write. Bas. Hey, this is the last part. In first 20 element. Yeah, in first 20 elements, boron and silicon. Boron and silicon are metalloid. Boron and silicon are metalloid. Okay. First point, then second point. Helium, neon, and argon are noble gas. Next class, I'll teach you beta how to remember neutron number ka trick. Okay. Then we'll do isotope, isobar, everything we are going to do in the next class. Now, what is the homework for you all? Yeah. So in this worksheet, beta, we can do first page, second page, third page.
So now your favorite student Shirin is saying bus.
That's sir.
First 3 pages we will do. First 3 pages, both side. First 3 pages. In writing worksheet, 2 worksheet I have given. Writing worksheet. Writing. This is writing.
Sir, both sides, no?
Both sides.
So this one.
Yeah. Chalo, that's all for today. Chalo then, bye-bye. Yeah.
Bye, sir.
First 3 pages means both the side. Total 6 page हो जाएगा. Yeah, bye-bye. ये नहीं गोवा लिखो.
Sir, can I say bye?
Wait.
Bye, Usha.
Bye, Usha.
चला गया.